Alright, just came out of a 7-Eleven, found the other flavor of Tarts Pretzel, the chocolate one. Smells very pretzely, like the last one. So, we're going to try it and see if... Oh, there's a chocolate icing this time. These were just 99 cents, so let's see if these have more filling or not. No, these have less filling. But you can't really taste it, but then when you do taste it, it's a very burst of chocolate. But then it just hits you with salt. I don't like these as much, but I do like them. I think these are going to get a low 3. And just spit all over the camera screen. That's not good. Like, I would eat these again. But if given a choice between these or the cinnamon ones, I'd pick the cinnamon ones. Oh. And I also got some chicken tenders from 7-Eleven. Let's try one. They were 2 for $2.49. Not bad. A bit rubbery, but still crunchy. Chicken's a little dry in the middle. I forgot to give a cross section. These are edible. Like I said, 7-Eleven food is definitely hit or miss. And this would be one of those where it would be like a grounder to third, where you barely get to first base. So that being said, I'm going to also give this one a low 3. Well, that will pretty much do it for reviews on the Junk Food Critic today. I think out of all the things I reviewed today, the sparkling ice was my favorite. But I've already had it, so it doesn't count. So I think out of all the things, the new things I reviewed, the blood orange was my favorite. But that doesn't say much. It only got a 4 out of 5. So that's pretty much my thoughts on everything I ate today. Don't forget to subscribe. You'll be glad you did.